Are you looking to build a gaming PC without breaking the bank? Whether you're new to the world of gaming or a seasoned gamer on a budget, it's possible to build a powerful gaming PC that delivers great performance at a low cost. In this video, we'll show you how to build a gaming PC on a budget, provide essential tips for saving money, and introduce you to some affordable options available at Habibi Tech. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Why build a budget gaming PC? Building a budget gaming PC offers several advantages. The most obvious benefit is cost savings. A budget build allows you to enjoy gaming without spending a fortune, making it ideal for gamers who want great performance at a lower price. Customization is another key perk. Unlike pre-built systems, building your own PC gives you control over the components, ensuring that your money goes towards parts that truly matter for gaming performance. Additionally, a budget build is not static. With the right choices, your PC will have upgrade potential, enabling you to enhance its performance over time as your needs or budget grow. Key components for a budget gaming PC. CPU, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of your PC and plays a crucial role in overall performance. For budget builds, AMD Ryzen and Intel Core i3 processors are excellent choices. The AMD Ryzen 5360, with 6 cores and strong multi-threading capabilities, strikes a perfect balance between price and performance. Its base clock of 3.6 GHz, along with a boost clock up to 4.2 GHz, ensures efficient handling of gaming and multitasking. Alternatively, the Intel Core i3-1010 is a solid 4-core processor with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.3 GHz. It's a reliable option for entry-level gaming setups that won't break the bank. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is arguably the most critical component for gaming performance. Budget-friendly options like the NVIDIA GTX 1650 and AMD Radeon RX 570 deliver exceptional performance at 1080p resolution. The GTX 1650, known for its power efficiency and smooth gameplay, features Turing architecture and GDDR5 memory. Meanwhile, the RX 570 offers robust performance with either 4 GB or 8 GB of GDDR5 memory, delivering high frame rates for many popular games at competitive prices. RAM, memory. For gaming, 8 GB of RAM is the bare minimum, but 16 GB is ideal for better performance and future-proofing. The Crucial Ballistics 16 GB DDR4-320 is a reliable choice. Its 3200 MHz speed ensures smooth gameplay, while the dual-channel configuration boosts data processing efficiency. Storage. Combining an SSD for fast load times with a larger HDD for storage is the most practical approach. The Kingston A2000 NVMe SSD offers fast read and write speeds for quick boot times and seamless gaming experiences. For additional storage, the Western Digital Blue 1 TB HDD provides ample space for your games and media files at an affordable cost. Motherboard. The motherboard connects all your components and ensures smooth compatibility. Budget options like the ASRock B450M Pro 4 and Gigabyte B460M DS3H for Intel builds provide essential features like multiple DIMM slots for memory, M.2 slots for SSDs, and USB ports. These motherboards offer the necessary functionality without unnecessary extras, keeping costs low. Power Supply Unit, PSU. A reliable PSU ensures stable power delivery to your components, protecting them from power fluctuations. The Corsair CX550M is a semi-modular option with 550-watt capacity and an 80+ bronze certification, offering both efficiency and flexibility while allowing for easy cable management. If you're looking for an even more affordable option, the EVGA 500-watt one delivers 500 watts of dependable power. It comes with all the necessary cables, making it an excellent choice for most budget builds. Investing in a quality PSU is crucial to ensure the long-term stability and reliability of your gaming PC. Case. Your PC case houses and protects your components while ensuring adequate airflow for cooling. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a compact, budget-friendly case with excellent airflow and cable management features, perfect for small to medium-sized builds. If you prefer a more stylish option, the NZXT H510 is a great choice, featuring a tempered glass side panel and efficient cable routing to give your build a sleek, organized appearance. Both options strike a good balance between affordability, aesthetics, and functionality. Cooling. Adequate cooling is essential for maintaining safe temperatures and ensuring the longevity of your components. For most budget builds, stock coolers included with CPUs are sufficient for everyday gaming and general use. However, if you plan to overclock or want enhanced thermal performance, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO is a widely recommended aftermarket air cooler. It provides superior cooling efficiency, quieter operation, and improved thermal management, all at an affordable price point, making it a great upgrade for any gaming PC. Tips for building a gaming PC cheap. There are several ways to keep costs low while building a gaming PC without sacrificing performance. One of the best strategies is to buy used or refurbished components. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and local classified ads often have great deals on tested hardware. When purchasing used parts, always verify the seller's reputation and ensure they offer a return policy or warranty for peace of mind. Timing your purchases around major sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or back-to-school promotions is another excellent way to save money. Retailers often provide significant discounts on components during these periods, allowing you to snag high-quality parts at a fraction of their regular prices. Prioritizing your spending is key to getting the best value for your money. Allocate more of your budget to the GPU and CPU, as they have the greatest impact on gaming performance. On the other hand, components like the case, power supply, and peripherals can be sourced at lower prices without affecting the overall gaming experience. You can also look for slightly older hardware, such as GPUs or CPUs from the previous generation, which often deliver excellent performance at reduced costs. These components can still handle modern games smoothly and are perfect for budget builds. Finally, consider bundling deals and DIY assembly. Many retailers offer discounts when purchasing a bundle of components, such as a motherboard and CPU combo. Building your PC yourself, instead of buying a pre-built system, can also save hundreds of dollars, as you avoid paying for labor and often get better quality components. With these tips in mind, even gamers on the tightest budgets can build a capable and future-proof gaming PC. Building a gaming PC on a budget is entirely possible with careful planning and smart choices. By focusing on value-oriented components and taking advantage of deals, you can create a gaming PC that delivers excellent performance without a hefty price tag. For those who prefer pre-built systems, Habibi Tech offers a range of affordable gaming PCs designed to meet the needs of budget-conscious gamers. Whether you build your own or opt for a pre-built system, this guide ensures you'll get the most out of your budget while enjoying a top-tier gaming experience. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.